All right, today we're going to bring a Surface Pen, and now this one feels more like a iPad pen, but it's actually a little bit better. I like the actually handle of it. It's very soft on the touch itself. Now there is a charging station. It's not like the original Surface Pen, but that doesn't require any connection. But this one actually has a Type C connection. It's going to last you for months once you charge it up. Now you don't need to do anything. It's going to automatically identify, but you do have to turn it on from here. And then once the light indicates that it's white and it starts blinking, it'll automatically sync into your surface. So this pen itself feels a lot like a real pen instead of the actual Surface Pen 2 or 1, where the number 2 is a lot flatter than this one. Drawing, it's a lot better than the other one because it feels more like a real pencil than the flatness of it. Now the pen itself comes in different styles, if you guys can see it. This is more like a silver here, and of course, and if you ever break the actual end, they give you an extra one too. This is the original Surface Pen that we have, but this one is less expensive and it's actually a little better. So I'm going to show you a couple things. And also it has a flat surface because I kind of like more of this pen than this design. I don't really like this design. It's flat as it is. It doesn't have that great grip as a pen. All right, so if you guys can see it just lit up right now. And the pen itself, you do have automatically, once it comes up, you'll see it automatically in there. All right, we're going to bring a pen here. All right, and we're going to do a circle. So if you can, a couple circles to show you that my resting palm did not show up in here. You guys can see that. So it recognizes if I put my hand first, you got to make sure you do your hand first automatically out. And look at the straight lines, all right? I like these straight line. And compared to this one right here, it feels a little bit more like, look at that, comparing it to this, all right? And I'm going to do another one so you guys can see it. I'm going to try to do a straight line if we can, all right, without fixing anything. It takes a while for it to recognize, all right? So they're pretty much similar to it, all right? I'm going to do another circle. Try the best circle. All right, do different pens. Oh, it just did a line right now. I don't know why, but maybe because I'm writing here, that's why too. So if you guys can see, that's one right here. This is my circle right here, all right? And this is the old, all right? So pretty much equal to the actual Surface Pen, but of course it's going to be a lot cheaper. The only downside is that, you know, you do need to charge it, and this one you don't. It automatically magnetizes there. This one, the actual pen, I like that they have different sizes of pen that you can actually add to this system, all right? So these pens were lasting for many years, you know, and this is a solid metal. It's a, you can feel it's aluminum. This is plastic compared to it. This has a little bit more weight than this one, so there is a degree of weight too. So when you're drawing, this actually feels more like a pencil than this one. This is pretty much like, feels like a toothpick, to be honest with you, compared to the actual Surface Pen 2. And this one, it doesn't have flexibility, neither one of them, but it does recognize the actual system when it's touching it compared to your palms touching it. So very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.